Good news for your business. If you are looking for your business growth fast, then you must know without the advertisement, there's no scope. You have to advertise your products and services to capture huge market cap and business growth. All major companies do this wholeheartedly. Recent marketing research proves nowadays people search websites more than YouTube videos to avoid sounds. Therefore, advertising on international kinds of websites is very fruitful. Global Life and Beyond, GLB is the best platform to advertise your products and services as it is an international platform. Why shouldn't you miss GLB? 1. It is visited by many domestic as well as international people. 2. Your advertisement will be shown 24 hours without break. 3. Your ads will be placed in prominent places. 4. It's cheaper than all other international media. 5. The team is very hardworking and quick responding. 6. Test it before you trust and ask us for all visiting proof on daily basis. 7. The entire daily report you get. Our team sends to client daily. 8. Visit www.globalifeinbeyond.com and contact us for booking your ads. Promotion of your brand. 1. We will put your business advertisement on GLB World Media. Big size advertisement. Price: 150 used monthly. Middle size advertisement. Price: 100 used monthly. 2. Write blogs to promote your product and services. We have experienced content writers in our team. Price: 12 used / per article. We accept individual, entrepreneur, and company ads. Disclaimer: all business ads must comply with Google AdSense policy. We will not entertain, prohibit violence, porn, drug content, products / services, or any engaging ads that don't fulfill Google policy. Would you like to promote your products / services? Daily visitors belong to different regions, most of the access from Pakistan, USA, India, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and over 20 countries. Minimum 10,000 viewers monthly on the website and potentially increasing as well.